everyone, I'm here to explain about the Indonesia vs Bahrain and the question word. The result of the Indonesia vs Bahrain match, which end in a 2-2 draw, has sparked a lot of discussion and controversy. Indonesia initially led the game, showcasing strong performance, but Bahrain's late equalizer in stoppage time left many fans feeling frustrated, especially given the context of the referee decision. Match highlight: early lead by Bahrain. Bahrain took an early lead with a goal from Mohamed Mahrun, which set the tone for the match. Indonesians comeback. Indonesia quickly responded with a goal from Ragnar Oratmangun, demonstrating recently and determination. Indonesia take the lead. Rafael Struijk's stunning goal gave Indonesia a 2-1 advantage, showcasing their attacking prowess. Controversial equalizer: the match ended dramatically with Mahrun scoring again in the 98th minute, raising questions about the referee's timekeeping and decision-making. Referee controversy: the referee's decision to allow play to continue beyond the allotted 6 minutes of the stoppage time has been heavily criticized. This has led to widespread protests from the Indonesia team and fans. The incident has ignited a social media frenzy, with hashtag trending in Indonesia, reflecting the public's outrage over the perceived injustice. Public reaction: Indonesian netizens have expressed their frustration, with many calling for accountability from the referee. The match outcome has left a bitter taste for fans who felt a victory was within reach. The controversy surrounding the match may have implications for future officiating standards in international matches. Concluding: overall, the draw against Bahrain was a missed opportunity for Indonesia, who showed great potential but were ultimately let down by the late equalizer and the officiating. The match serves as a reminder of the unpredictable nature of football and the importance of fair play. Fans will be hoping for better outcomes in future matches as the team continues its journey in the World Cup qualification. The question words meaning. Question words, also known as interrogative words, are words used to ask questions. They are typically placed out at the beginning of a sentence and require an answer to provide information. English has a variety of question words that serve different purposes, from asking about a person's identity to asking about time and location. WH question formula. The following is the formula of WH question. WH question plus auxiliary verb to, be, do, have, plus subject plus main verb plus question mark. Of English question words and their meanings. Most common English question words and their meanings: who, used to ask about a person, identity, or to identify a person in a group. What, used to ask about something or to request information. Where, used to ask about a location or place. When, used to ask about a time or date. Why, used to ask about a reason or cause. How, used to ask about a method or manner. Which, used to ask about a choice or selection. Whose, used to ask about possession or ownership. Whom, used to ask about the object of a verb or preposition. Further indication of WH question. A. Who. Who is an English interrogative word used to ask about the identity of a person of group of people involved in a particular event, activity, or context. Who helps us to identify the relevant person or subject in a context. For example, who is he? Siapa dia? Who are your parents? Siapa orang tuamu? Who won the game? Siapa yang memenangkan permainannya? Who is your favorite actor? Siapa aktor favoritmu? Who is at the door? Siapa yang ada di pintu sana? Who is that woman? Siapa wanita itu? B. What? What is an English interrogative word used to ask about object, activities, or concept that occur or are involved in a particular event, activity, or context. Its function is to obtain information about certain object, activities, or concepts in a conversation or situation. Example sentence. What is your favorite color? Apa warna favoritmu? What time is it? What time is it? Sekarang jam berapa? What did you eat for breakfast? Apa yang kamu makan untuk sarapan? What is the capital of France? Apa ibu kota Prancis? What are you doing this weekend? Apa rencanamu akhir pekan ini? What is your favorite book? Apa buku favoritmu? What are your hobbies? Apa hobi-hobimu? C. When. When is an English interrogative word used to ask about the time or period of time in which an event occur. Its function is to obtain information about a specific time or period in a conversation or situation, as well as helping us to understand the sequence or schedule of an event. Example sentence. When is your birthday? Kapan ulang tahunmu? When did you arrive in Jakarta? Kapan kamu tiba di Jakarta? When is the next train to London? Kapan kereta berikutnya ke London? When does the movie start? Kapan filmnya mulai? When will you finish your homework? Kapan kamu akan menyelesaikan pekerjaanmu? When did you meet your best friend? Kapan kamu bertemu dengan sahabatmu? When do you usually wake up in the morning? Kapan biasanya kamu bangun pagi? D. Where. Where is an English interrogative word used to ask about the location or place where something happened is a conversation or situation. Example sentence. Where is the nearest hospital? Di mana rumah sakit terdekat? Where did you go on vacation last year? Kemana kamu pergi berlibur tahun ini? Where are my keys? Di mana kunci-kunci saya? Where is the bathroom? Di mana kamar mandinya? Where do you work? Di mana kamu bekerja? Where did you find this book? Di mana kamu menemukan buku ini? Where does your family live? Di mana keluargamu tinggal? E. Why? This word is used to ask for the reason behind an event, action, occurrence, or situation. So, when we want to know why something happened or why someone did something, we can ask why. Example sentence. Why did you come to the party? Kenapa kamu datang ke pesta? Why are you late? Kenapa kamu terlambat? Why did you choose this university? Mengapa kamu milih universitas ini? Why do you want to learn English? Kenapa kamu ingin belajar bahasa Inggris? Why are you crying? Kenapa kamu menangis? Why did she quit her job? Mengapa dia berhenti dari pekerjaannya? Why is the sky blue? Mengapa langit berwarna biru? F. Which. Which in an English interrogative word that help use choose between several options. Its function is the request information about a particular choice from a number of available options. Help us in decision making, or the identify or specific object or person in a particular situation or context. Example sentence: which color do you prefer, red or blue? Warna mana yang kamu lebih suka, merah atau biru? Which book are you reading right now? Buku mana yang sedang kamu baca sekarang? Which movie did you watch last night? Film mana yang kamu tonton semalam? Which restaurant serves the best pizza in the town? Restoran mana yang menyajikan pizza terbaik di kota? Which phone should I buy, iPhone or Samsung? Handphone mana yang sebaiknya saya beli, iPhone atau Samsung? G. Whom. Whom is a question word used to ask about the person who is the object in a sentence. Whom helps us determine the relationship between the subject and object in a sentence. Example sentence: to whom did you give the present? Kepada siapa kamu memberikan hadiah? Whom did she invite to the party? Siapa yang dia undang ke pesta? Whom do you trust the most? Siapa yang paling kamu percaya? Whom are you waiting for? Kamu sedang menunggu siapa? Which whom did you go to the concert? Dengan siapa kamu pergi ke konser? Whom did they appoint as the new manager? Siapa yang mereka tunjuk sebagai manajer baru? Whom did you meet at the conference? Siapa yang kamu temui di konferensi? H. Whose. Whose in English interrogative word used to ask about the ownership or whose property as certain object or things belongs to. Example sentence: whose book is this? Buku ini milik siapa? Whose car is parked outside? Milik siapa mobil yang terparkir di luar itu? Whose idea was it to organize the event? Siapa yang mempunyai ide untuk mengatur acara ini? Whose dog is barked loudly? Anjing yang sedang menggonggong keras itu milik siapa? Whose turn is it to do the dishes? Giliran siapa yang mencuci piring? Whose phone are during the meeting? Ponsel siapa yang berdering selama rapat? Whose bag is lying on the table? Milik siapa tas yang tergeletak di atas meja itu? And the last one, I. How. How is an English interrogative word used to ask about the manner or process of how an event or action is performed. Its function is to obtain information about the method or procedure involved in a situation or activity. Example sentence: how do you bake a cake? Bagaimana cara memanggang kue? How did you learn to ride a bike? Bagaimana cara kamu belajar mengendarai sepeda? How can I improve my English speaking skills? Bagaimana cara saya meningkatkan kemampuan berbicara bahasa Inggris saya? How do you solve this math problem? Bagaimana cara menyelesaikan masalah matematika ini? How did you get to the airport? Bagaimana kamu sampai di bandara? How do you operate this machine? Bagaimana cara mengoperasikan mesin ini? Common mistakes when using English question word. Is it important to use them correctly to avoid confusion? Here are some common mistakes to avoid: using who instead of whom. Who did you give the book to? Should be whom did you give the book to? Using what instead of which. What book do you prefer? Should be Which book do you prefer? And 3, using where instead of when. Where is your birthday? Should be when is your birthday? And last, all question starter word for your conversation. In addition to the common English question word listed above, there are several other words that can be used to start a question. Here is a list of all the question starter words you can use it in your conversation. Do, does, did, is, are, was. That's all the explanation from me. Thank you. Dadah.